Welcome to the Herbal Medic. Here we explore the incredible healing power of herbs, natural remedies, and wellness tips to help you lead a healthier, more balanced life. If you're as passionate about natural healing as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest videos. Together, let's embrace the wisdom of nature. What are papaya flowers? Papaya flowers are the blooms of the papaya tree, known for their bitter taste and high nutritional value. These flowers are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamins A, C, and E, as well as flavonoids. When paired with honey, a natural sweetener and antibacterial powerhouse, the benefits multiply. Key benefits of papaya flowers, soaked in honey. 1. Relieves respiratory issues. Papaya flowers are known for their ability to soothe respiratory problems such as coughs, sore throats, and asthma. Honey enhances this effect with its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, helping to clear airways and reduce irritation. 2. Improves digestive health. The enzymes in papaya flowers aid digestion by breaking down proteins and promoting healthy gut bacteria. Honey adds a soothing effect to the stomach lining, reducing issues like acidity and bloating. 3. Boosts immunity. Both papaya flowers and honey are rich in antioxidants that help strengthen the immune system. Regular consumption can protect the body from free radicals, lowering the risk of infections and chronic diseases. Regulates blood sugar levels. Despite honey's natural sweetness, it has a lower glycemic index compared to refined sugar. When combined with papaya flowers, this mixture may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a better alternative for those with diabetes in moderation. 5. Promotes healthy skin. Papaya flowers contain vitamin C and other antioxidants that combat skin aging and promote collagen production. Honey's moisturizing and antibacterial properties make this duo an excellent remedy for glowing, healthy skin. 6. Supports weight loss. Papaya flowers are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them a great addition to a weight loss diet. Combined with honey, they can act as a natural energy booster, reducing cravings and promoting satiety. How to prepare papaya flowers soaked in honey. Ingredients: fresh papaya flowers, 1 cup pure honey enough to cover the flowers. Instructions: wash the papaya flowers thoroughly to remove dirt and impurities. Allow the flowers to dry completely. Place the flowers in a glass jar and pour honey over them until fully submerged. Seal the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dry place for 1 to 2 weeks to let the mixture infuse. Once ready, take 1 to 2 teaspoons daily, either on its own or mixed with warm water. Tips for best results. Always use organic honey for maximum benefits. Consume consistently to see noticeable improvements in health. Pair with a balanced diet and exercise for better results. Final thoughts. Papaya flowers soaked in honey are a simple yet powerful remedy for a variety of health concerns. From boosting immunity to improving digestion, this natural combination offers benefits that are hard to ignore. Give it a try and experience the wonders of nature's healing power. Optimize your health today with this easy-to-make natural remedy. Thank you for watching the Herbal Medic. I hope you found today's video helpful and that it inspires you to embrace the healing power of nature. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you'll always know when a new video is out. Your journey to natural wellness starts here, and I'm so glad to be part of it with you. Until next time, take care, stay healthy, and keep thriving with nature.